We are back again with some double flap cards, but they're a little bit different this time. But first, before you get started, I want you to go and get whiteboard and an expo marker. So go off, pause the video, go and get that, bring it back, and then you can start our video again. So our cards are a little bit different this time. They have pictures on the inside.
So not numbers, not dots. I mean, they're pictures inside.
Pictures.
But they're still the double flap cards.
So that means they have how many flaps?
Oh, doubles.
You're
right. Good question, Mrs. Owen.
So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to flip over our card, and there is going to be a number on the back.
Yes.
When you see the number, your job is to use your whiteboard and expo marker and write down equations.
All of the equations, boys and girls, friends, that would make this number. Think of all the different ways that you can make 7.
Go ahead and do that while we're waiting, and we're going to think about different ways as well.
I'm going to write them myself.
So our magic number is 7. You should already have a few equations down on your board.
Yep. You can have addition or subtraction if you want to as a challenge. All right, Mrs. Owen, what do you think?
Oh, well,
what should we start with?
I'm going to start with 1, and I think that 1 plus, I know that 6 would equal 7.
There we go. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Why is it so blurry?
I was just going to say, it looks a little blurry.
A little blurry.
There you go.
There we go. Is that better?
Much better.
Okay, pull it down. All
what
right.
could be another one, friends? Did you have that one on your board?
Wow. Mrs. Owen, I'm thinking of, here we go, I'm thinking of maybe a 5 and, let's see, 6, 7, and 2 more.
Ooh,
I'm thinking of 5 plus 2. I'm going to write that down.
It's a great one.
Where'd my marker go? There it goes. All right. So 5 plus 2 equals 7.
Oh, and then I'm thinking about my doubles again because we've been talking about those doubles every day. So I know that 3 and 3 is 6, but we need a 7. So what would I do? If I have 6, I need to add 1 more. So I know that 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Ooh, very good, Mrs. Owen. That's doubles plus 1, isn't it, everyone? 3 plus 4. Let's see. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. What about with the number 0? What do you think? Do you know what it is? Do you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking 7 plus 0 equals 7.
It's a good one.
What do you think, Mrs. Owen? I think we might have gotten all of them.
We did, but now what we're going to do is look at our flaps, and underneath our flaps we're going to have some ladybugs on one half, and the other half is going to have some more ladybugs. So what I'm going to do is open up a flap, and you need to think about what math equation would make sense. So think about the math equations that you should have on your board. We just did them with you.
Yep.
You should have those on your board.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
There they are.
And then I'm going to open up a flap, and you need to think about what math equation makes sense. Which one works? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Here we go.
Ooh, ladybugs. Aren't those cute? Those are really cute. And it looks like the same pattern as when there's dots on there. And I see 5, just like on a die. So I see 5. And that's just like the equation that I gave Mrs. Owen. 5, remember? And 2 more. So I think that equation would be 5 plus 2 equals 7.
Take a look.
Let's see. Did I do it?
You are correct.
Nice. All right. 5 plus 2. So watch what I'm going to do. Oh, there it is right there. I have written down that equation right there. 5 plus 2 equals
In the
7.
yellow.
Right there. Sorry. Thank you for clarifying that. I'll turn it over like this. So then, what if we did it the other way, Mrs. Owen?
Okay, let's try it the other way. What do you think is going to be under our flap? Oh.
Yep. There's There's the 2.
Two.
So what's on the other side then? Remember?
2 and
Remember? There it is.
5.
There it is. 2 and 5. So you can write those down on your whiteboards if you want to. You can write the reverse down. There it is. 5 plus 2 equals 7.
Flip them.
And 2 plus 5 equals 7. You see that? They're part of a fact family. Okay? Now guess what we're going to do? I'm going to show you a number sentence or a story problem. Not a number sentence, a story problem. And you are going to listen and you are going to circle the equation that matches the story.
Are you
Got that,
ready?
Mrs. Owen?
I got it.
Okay,
I'm ready.
So I'm going to pull this up here a little bit. Whoops, I better reduce the size. Oh, whoops. Sorry, friends. Reduce the size. There we go. I think I got it. Okay. There were 5 bugs in the garden. 2 more came along. How many bugs in all?
Friends, what do you think?
Which one would that be? Would that be 5 plus 2 equals 7 or 2 plus 5 equals 7? Again, it says there were 5 bugs in the garden. So I think, Mrs. Owen, that means we already have 5.
We already have 5 bugs.
And then 2 more come along. Now altogether, we have 7. So which one is this, friends? Is it the top one or the bottom one?
What do you think?
I think it's the top one, Mrs. Owen.
Me too, and I know that because as we're reading our math story problem, the 5 comes first.
5 comes first,
And
then
then
the 2.
the 2.
And the words in all, that means all together. How many do we have all together? So I'm going to circle this one. Whoops, I ran into my light there. So, friends at home, if you would circle that, please, that would be great. That's the one that matches the story problem. All right, we have the next one. Oh, now we're doing the subtraction,
Yes.
Mrs. Owen.
So make sure your math equations are still on your board because we're making a fact family. But now we're going to move to subtraction.
Oh, this is so exciting.
So we're going to start with our 7.
The 7.
That's our magic number.
Right.
We're going to start with our 7.
Right.
And then what I'm going to do is open up a flap with ladybugs on it, and that's how many we're going to take away. We're going to get rid of that many.
So we're going to open them all up. Open both flaps, right?
One at a time, right?
Nope, we got them
Okay.
all together.
Gotcha.
There we go. So now we have 7 all together. And then we're going to take one away. Take one side away. What'd she take away?
What did I take away?
Oh, I see that. So we had 7. And she took away 2.
How many are left? And there it is. You see that. Good job.
And then, oops, we've got to do this one right here. This is what we had, right?
Yep, so we had 7 to
7.
start.
And we took away 2.
We got rid of 2.
And
Whoops.
then we're still 5.
Yep.
All right, let's try the next one, Mrs. Owen. Let's try it the other way. So we have all 7.
Now we're going to take away our 5. Get rid of that.
There it goes. Take it away. And then we've got 2 left over. And here they are. Here it is. 7 minus 5 equals 2.
What do you notice about all of our math equations? What makes them a fact family? Do you remember?
From the other day? Think about that. Maybe if we do another one. I don't know. Let's see. All right, let's read the next story problem. My brother had 7 bugs in a jar. 2 bugs got away. What does that sound like to you, everyone? Is it addition or is it subtraction?
It's they're leaving.
Yeah,
they're going away.
leaving. It's subtraction. How many bugs were left? Oh boy, we've got to come up here. We've got to decide. Which one does that go with? Is that 7 minus 5 equals 2 or 7 minus 2 equals 5?
What do you think? What would help you figure that out?
Look at the number 7. And then what's the next number? Oh, So 2 bugs got away. That means they left. So Mrs. Owen, I think they're taking away 2.
2 bugs. I think you're right.
And I think 5 are left over. So we're going to circle this one right here, this equation. All right? Everybody got that? Okay.
Great job, boys and girls.
We are going to go to
And
the
then do you want to do the next one?
Sure, I will. All right, so here's the next one, everyone. Now we've got new pictures. Okay, today we have pictures, or this time we have pictures of shells. See the shells? And look at the number. The number is still 7. So we need to get through this one a little bit quicker, okay? So get those whiteboards and those markers ready. And here we go. So the total is 7, and I'm going to show you 3. See 3 shells? So what do you think is on the other side, everyone? 3. Count on, or maybe use doubles plus 1.
Ooh.
I know 3 plus 3 more is 6. So that means 1 more would make 7. So look, you are correct. It's 3 plus 4 equals 7. So we're going to get that one written down, and then I'm going to close the flaps. Sorry. And then I'm going to show you the other one. So let's do the opposite. So I'm going to show you 4. And then do you remember what's on the other side? Yep, shout it out to me. It is 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right. Someone's got that. And then let's do the subtraction. Our total is 7, right? So I'm going to lift both flaps up. There they are, all 7 shells, and I'm going to take away 3.
Ooh, what's the answer?
On your left, everyone. That's right. You're getting quicker at this. It's 4. So the equation is 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then let's do the other one. So we have 7 again. Take away 4. How many are left? That's right. Right here. It's 3.
You are quick at that.
Very, very good. You're getting faster and faster.
So here are our math equations that we just came up with for subtraction. We had 7, and we took
Minus
away
3.
3, and that was 4.
Up.
And then we said that there was 7, and we took away 4, and we know that is 3.
Now watch. Now we've got another story problem. Listen carefully.
So Sarah had 7 shells in her bucket. She lost 3 of them. How many does she have left?
So let's do this with our cards. Here's 7 shells, and then she lost 3. That means they went away, right? They're lost. How many are left in her bucket?
What do you think, boys and girls?
How many are left? There you go. So which one would it be up here? So we start with 7, and then remember, we're going to take away 3, and then I showed you 4 were left. There you go, Mrs. Owen. You got it.
Way to go, first graders.
And then
We're going to move to our next one.
there it is. Right, so I'm going to get my double flap card ready here. Here we go again.
All right, so let's listen carefully.
So
Lee had 4 shells. He had found 3 more on the beach.
here's 4, and now he found 3 more on the beach.
How many does he have in all? So remember that word in all.
In all means all together. Remember the total? So which equation is that? Is that 3 plus 4 equals 7 or 4 plus 3 equals 7? Which one was it?
Look at our word problem, our story problem.
Lee had 4, and then he found 3 more. So I think, Mrs. Owen, it sounds like 4 plus 3 equals a
7.
total of 7. Yes.
Good work.
Woo! My goodness, are you sweating? That was a lot of hard work that you did. You should be sweating from working so hard. So now we have a challenge for you. So you know how you did the double flap cards the other day? Well, now you're going to make another one. Okay, you're going to make another one for us. And get your piece of paper. Remember, fold it in half. Fold it this way. Put your cut right up the middle. And then think of a